Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is our first video of the series SolidWorks Basic Tutorials. This one here is our first part to practice our 3D modeling skills in SolidWorks. So let's get started. Open SolidWorks. Here I'm using SolidWorks 2021 Series Pack 3. You can open new part from here or here. So first of all, you have to select a sketch to start modeling in SolidWorks. You can either select this one, or this one. So you have to select the sketch in which most of the feature of this model is covered. So I'm going with this sketch. Click on front pane, sketch. First I am going to make a rough sketch exactly like this without any dimensions. You can select circle, line, rectangular or smart dimension from here, or you just press your mouse right button and drag toward right for the circle, top for the sketch dimension, left for the line and bottom for the rectangle. I'm using for circle, another circle, line. This is rough sketch, but it will look like this. So you can see this part of the circle is not here, so I'm going to trim it. For that I just click on trim entities and drag like this. Okay, so these two are equal here, 15-15. So I'm going to add a relation. Whenever you add a relation, press first entity and then hold control key from your keyboard and then select second entity, release the control key. So I'm going to make them equal and collinear. Okay, so I'm going to give dimensions like this or this, 20 mm, 25 mm, or this I am using Alt Tab command for shifting windows. Okay, this one is 15, 50 and 125. Okay, all lines are black, which means the sketch is fully defined. No more dimension is needed. You can also see from here. Now I am going to extrude, means I'm making it a 3D object. So this is sketch, and in this view you can see how much it is extruded. So the radius is 25, so the dia will be 50. So this length is 50. Exit sketch, select sketch and extrude 50. Okay, so this fillet is remaining, the hole and this cut. So for that I'm going to select this face and click on sketch. I'm going to select a rectangle and the dimension is 20 by 50. 20 by 50. As you can see, this rectangle is not in the center, so for that I'm going to add relation. You can also add a relation from here. Add relation, select this point and So you have to enter a point here and here, add relation, select both points and click on coincident. Okay, I'm going to also add a circle here which is at the center of both are horizontal like this. The dia is 20 mm and the radius is 25, means here to here is 25. So I'm going to cut it. For that, go to features, Extrude Cut and select through all. Okay, the last step is to add fillet. Click on fillet, select all 4 edges and the dimension is 25 mm. Okay, so our part is complete. You can also add color from edit appearance for the whole part. Click on select color and click OK. So thank you very much. If you learned something new from this video, please click on like button. That would be very meaningful. Thank you very much.